Thinking about starting a photo booth business? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down exactly what you need to start a profitable photo booth business step by step. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your side hustle into a full-time income, I've got you covered. Stick around until the end where I'll share my biggest mistakes when starting out so you can avoid it. If we have not met, my name is Charles with Photobooth CEO, and I have been doing photo booths for 10 years and have done thousands of events, from broke college student enlisting in the US Air Force to struggling in corporate America to now being a multiple six-figure entrepreneur and educator. I am on a mission to helping you reach new levels by building profitable and purposeful photo booth businesses. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about what a photo booth business is and why it's such a great opportunity right now. A photo booth business involves providing a fun, interactive photo experience at events like weddings, corporate parties, birthdays, galas, and more. Guests love capturing memories, and businesses love offering engaging entertainment options at their events. Here's why it's a great business to start. High demand. People love taking photos and videos. It's no secret that social media dominates people's attention, and guess what they're looking at? Photos and videos. Photo booths have also become a mainstay feature and entertainment at events. Low overhead. Compared to other event businesses, a photo booth business has lower startup costs and operational costs. Scalable income. You can start small and grow by adding more booths, offering premium services or newer options to your current client base. Flexible schedule. You can choose when and where to work, making it ideal for side hustle or full-time businesses. Repeat clients and word of mouth. Once you deliver a great experience, clients often refer you to others, making marketing easier. If you're looking for a fun and profitable business that allows you to be part of special moments and events, a photo booth business is definitely worth considering. First things first, you need to choose the right photo booth setup for your businesses. There are several types to consider, each with its own pros and cons, so let's break them down. Open air mirrorless booths. These are sleek, modern, and customizable. They allow for bigger group photos and are easier to transport than enclosed booths. The open setup makes them more interactive, which is a plus for large events. Typically, these booths have higher quality images and the ability to print. Check out my recommendations for the most ideal booths to start with in my description below. 360 photo booths. These are currently one of the most sought after booth types by clients, perfect for high energy events like weddings, corporate parties, and celebrations of all types. They provide immersive experiences that people love sharing on social media, making them highly marketable. However, they require more space, there can be some setup time, and slightly higher investment up front. The next type is enclosed booths. These are great for private events where guests want to be a bit more private. They create a nostalgic feel and often work well for formal settings like corporate events, weddings, and proms. The downside is they can be bulkier and require more effort to transport and assemble. The initial cost to purchase these can be higher as well. iPad booths. Lightweight, digital, and super easy to set up. These booths are ideal for business owners looking for a portable, low-maintenance option. They can also be rented out with minimal effort, making them a great passive income source. These, however, may not be the most ideal photo booths to start with. Maybe you can consider adding these on after you've gotten your first printing booth with DSLR or mirrorless camera, or perhaps a 360. If you're looking to start or grow your photo booth business, I've got something just for you. I put together a free quick start guide that walks you through the essentials to get up and running fast. Whether you're just starting out or want to have your foundations covered, this guide will help you. Grab your free copy now. Just click down in the link in the description below. Invest in quality equipment. Once you've chosen the type of booth, it's time to invest in equipment. The quality of your photos and videos will determine the customer experience and ultimately your reviews and referrals. Here's what you need to consider. Camera quality. If you're using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, ensure it captures high-resolution images and works well in different lighting conditions. iPads and webcams can work too, but investing in better hardware and better camera equipment improves the final product and what you actually give to your clients. Lighting matters. Proper lighting can make or break your photo booth image quality. Consider studio strobes with umbrellas or large light modifiers like lanterns and softboxes, LED panels, or professional grade lighting to eliminate shadows and make the photos pop. Sturdy and reliable booth setup. The durability of your booth is essential, especially if you plan to do multiple events a week. Ensure it's easy to transport, easy to set up, and easy to take down. This should not be overlooked. Software and automation. Your software should allow easy customization, branding, and instant sharing. Features like AI filters, green screen, animated videos can elevate the user experience. Props and backdrops. Fun theme props encourage engagement and make the experience more memorable. High quality backdrops also improve the overall aesthetic of the photos. Now let's talk about making your business official. You don't want to get into trouble down the line, so setting things up legally from the beginning is crucial. Here's what you need to do. Choose a business structure. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. An LLC is often the best choice for small business owners because it protects your personal assets. You can begin to start off as a sole proprietor to make things easy for now, but definitely think about considering upgrading to an LLC or corporation. Register your business name. A catchy professional name makes you memorable. Check its availability and register it with your local business authority. You want to make sure your name speaks to your ideal client. For example, if you want to speak to corporate clients, make sure the name of the business that you choose sounds professional. Get business insurance. Accidents happen. Someone could trip over a cable, equipment could get damaged, or unexpected issues could arise at events. Business insurance protects you from financial loss and reassures clients that you have things covered in case they go wrong. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate. It helps with taxes and makes it easier to write off your costs at the end of the year. Create solid contracts. Always use a written agreement with clients to clarify terms, pricing, retainer policies, and what's included in your packages. Don't just wing it, please. Photo booth owners. Not having a contract can cost you big. Last minute cancellations, unpaid balances, and clients changing terms on the fly. Protect yourself and your business with a solid contract. I've put together a free photo booth contract template to help you lock in bookings and avoid headache. Grab your free copy now. Just click in the link in the description below. Pricing is key. Charge too low and you won't make a profit. Charge too high when you're starting out, you may struggle to book events. Here's how to price effectively when getting started. Number 1, calculate your costs. Factor in equipment, travel, maintenance, time spent at events, and time working on your website. Research competitors. Check what similar businesses in your area are charging to have a feel on what your market can do and can't do. Consider demand. If you offer premium services like high quality mirrorless cameras with printing options, 360 booths, custom branding, you can charge higher rates for these. Offer packages. Have tiered pricing options so clients can easily choose solutions based on their budget. Step number 5. All right, we're coming down to the wire, guys. Now that you're set up, it's time to get booked. Here's how to find your first clients. Number 1, optimize your Google My Business profile. Many clients will find you through Google searches. Ensure your business is visible and able to be found on Google searches, aka SEO. Use social media marketing. Post engaging photos and videos, client testimonies, and live demonstrations on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Network with event planners. Wedding planners, corporate event organizers, and party coordinators can become long-term partners for you. Attend local events and vendor fairs. Showcase your booths at expos to attract bookings. Word of mouth and referral discounts. Happy clients can refer friends, leading to more bookings. The event industry is special, where we often work together with common vendors and planners. Building these relationships are key so that you can continue to get bookings for years and years to come. And that, my friends, is how you begin to start a photo booth business. If you found this helpful, click on the like button and subscribe for more tactics on growing your photo booth business. And if you're just getting started, comment below with your biggest questions. I'd love to help. Don't forget to grab your free quick start guide and contract templates absolutely for free. Links are in the description below. I'll see you later.